I'm born with is not something I can do about. I'm just grateful to my parents for giving me the best of both of them. But I think maintaining good health is a very, very important key in looking good. Working out, sweating, literally opening up your pores and sweating helps your skin remain beautiful. Eating right, lots of vegetables, lots of greens, and staying positive. I think a good heart and a clean mind help you look good.
Okay, they are beautiful women are not taken seriously in the industry. Do you relate to it, or do you agree with the fact, or what do you have to say about that?
Well, I think there are two sides to a coin. I think I've sometimes been appreciated more for my de-glam roles than I have for my glamorous roles. So there is a certain de-glam avatar that people take to more instantly and say, oh, हम हमारी तरह लगती है तो शायद कुछ seriousness है. But having said that, there's always two sides to it. I know lots of very beautiful girls who are doing extremely well, but may not necessarily be great actresses. Then there are also some great actresses who are not very good looking, but are also doing very well. So it's a very relative situation.
Okay, Via, as a woman, what was your biggest battle in life?
My looks, really. I think sometimes it can be a blessing. Actually, most of the time it's a blessing, but sometimes it can also be a curse.
Okay, looking good, eating right food. Do you think, are you comfortable with all that, or are you comfortable with all that?
I enjoy it. Sometimes I feel like binging and eating what I feel like. Being a Hyderabadi and being brought up on rice and Mughlai rich food, बहुत मन करता है वो सब खाने का. But I allow myself that space. What is the point of working so hard and doing everything you're doing if you can't really eat what you want? So it doesn't add up.
What is the craziest thing have you ever done in your life and enjoyed doing it?
I've actually done lots of mad things, but I think what I would consider the craziest thing I've done is I was about 4.5 years old, and my dad had given me a small spanking on my backside, and I had decided to leave the house. So I tied this little potli, put it on a stick. I must have seen it in some movie somewhere, must have been very enchanted by that concept, and I left the house. I started walking down the valley. We used to live in Banjara Hills in Hyderabad. I don't think I've gotten past that craziness yet.
Okay, thanks a lot.